Just making my protein shake after my workout. I just use a little bit of water and then some ice. I put a little scoop of peanut butter in there. Just a little bit more. 1 tablespoon. I already added some almond milk into it. I added a squirt of some MCT oil. And then I'm just going to add a scoop of, whoops, that's getting on this, of my chocolate protein powder, which is a low carb one. And then I just mix it all together. If I can do that. This isn't going well. Okay, that's it. Guess what? Yes, I'm at work right now, but today is my 30-day weigh-in, and guess what? I dropped 10 pounds in 1 month. Well, technically 4 weeks and 2 days, but you know what I mean, 30 days, honey. Yes, boo boo. Yes, I lost 10 pounds. I'm just kidding. I'm being stupid. But anyway, I'm so excited and I had to share today. Woohoo! There was some music. I'll be dancing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Anyway, just wanted to share my results because I'm super excited. And yeah. Anyway. Yeah. Hey, it's me, Sheena. And welcome back to my channel. I know I am in a different area today. It's because it's Memorial Weekend and me and my family are here. My family and I are here for Memorial Weekend. We're camping. Here's a view. They're over there right now. Anyway, I didn't want to miss this day because today is day 30th of my ketogenic challenge. Yay! And I'm so happy today. So I wanted to make sure and try to videotape this and not miss it since I was out here. So anyway, on week four, I'm down 1.6 pounds in this last week. The only thing is that I wanted to go for a full 30 days, so it's 7 days in a week plus 2 more, so it's 9 days. So I lost 1.6 in 9 days, and total for the 30 days is 10 pounds. I dropped 10 pounds in 30 days. Can you believe that? Isn't that awesome? Oh my goodness. 10 pounds. I lost 10 pounds in 30 days. Yay! So, there are my girls over there. Anyway, so I worked out 3 times this week and I did 40 to 45 minute HIIT workouts. So I upped it from 20 minutes to 30 to 40 and 45 minutes. And so, let's see. And I was more on top of my macros. She's right behind me. I was on top of my macros, and so I just paid attention to my calories and my fats and proteins and carbohydrates. Yeah! So, my metabolism was still up, and so I was a lot more hungry because of my workouts. So I had upped my calories, but still stayed in the keto foods. So yeah, I'm super excited. I was so happy this morning when I saw that I dropped 10 pounds in 30 days. Yeah, so I'm happy about that, and I'm glad I could share that with you, and hopefully it motivates you to either try the keto diet or get on a healthy diet of some sort. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching my video. I'm going to go enjoy a couple days camping with my family, and comment down below what you think about this ketogenic diet and losing 10 pounds in a month. And if you have any questions, let me know. Let me know if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more of my journey. Yay! Alright, well, thank you. Bye!